Okay, so for this video I'm going to show you how to prep up the chicken. So we've done the gravy, which you know, and then the chicken, and they kind of get mixed together. So we're going to make the chicken. So I've got breasted chickens here, 2 breasted chickens. So I'll get about 20 pieces out of this. So, you know, you should be able to, you know, serve 3, possibly 4 people. So I'll slice it in the middle. Here. Then we've got 1 piece here, 2, 3, got 5 pieces here, sort of like this size. You can make it smaller. The smaller you make it, the quicker it will cook. So depending how you want it, but you know, if you make it too small, you want your guests or whoever you're cooking for, you know, actually taste the chunk of chicken. Okay, so we've got 2 tablespoons of oil going in there. Then we've got 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger going in there. And then we've got 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. We've got about 1/4 of haldi, and they're haldies. And then we've got our cozy curry, 1½ teaspoons. And then our delicious dani, just ½ teaspoon. 1/4 of our jazzy jeera, even less than 1/4 you can put. And the same amount for our garam masala, just a tiny bit. It's very, very strong garam masala, so you know, got to be very careful. And you mix it in, add some water. About a pint of water. So then add your chicken in. Put it on slow gas and let the spice marinate into the chicken. So when you do bite into the chicken, you'll taste the spices, the main flavour. And once it's bubbled slightly, get your gravy sauce, which I've shown you how to do on this video. About ½ pint of gravy sauce. Add a bit of water. If it dries out, you want to add about ½ pint of water, just to make sure that the chicken is in a sauce cooking. So it's up to you if you put hot water. So you've got to make sure it's not dry, but it's cooking. Put it up, close up.
A few moments later.
So every so often do come and stir it to make sure it's cooked. And then what you can do to check if it's cooked, you can either get a probe and stick a probe in there, and it should be 75 degrees for 30 seconds, and then you know it's done. Also, you want the chicken to be obviously not pink inside, so make sure it's white. You can see that's white, and then you can tell that's cooked as well. So that's now your prepped chicken done. You need that and the gravy to make the curries.